Would you rather look like this or like that? Like this or like that? Now you can look like this with the revolutionary VibroBelt Professional Toning System. With the system, you get the world-famous VibroBelt, the fun walk-it-off CD, and easy-to-follow nutrition guide to produce the body-changing results you want. You can tone, firm, and strengthen your upper abs, your middle abs, your lower abs, and obliques, plus your thighs, hips, back, and buns with the VibroBelt system. Stop struggling with hard-to-use exercise equipment. Now, tighten those flabby love handles, sagging buns, and shaky thighs with VibroBelt. Just wear the VibroBelt while you're working, cooking, or cleaning. Nothing could be more convenient. The VibroBelt's secret is its revolutionary oscillating heated massage movement that produces a series of intense muscle contractions, firing the muscles in your core, buns, thighs, and hips. With multiple intensity settings to choose from, the VibroBelt's powerful motor will help tone, firm, and strengthen your muscles. And combined with the Walk It Off CD and nutrition program, you'll get a toning, firming workout.
I immediately saw results. Within a few days, everything was, nice and tight and smooth.
It makes my legs much toner, much tighter, smoother, and just amazing, the results.
We're so sure that you'll love the VibroBelt that here's our guarantee to you. Use the VibroBelt for 30 days. If you don't feel more toned, shaped, and firmed, send it back for a full refund, no questions asked.